Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name's JoAnn and this is To Crochet Curious. Well, it's just me and my unnamed new pet that needs a name. So if you have an idea, hey girl, if you have an idea what I should name my new dog, please let me know. Now, it's chilly here, so she's got a hat on to keep her head warm. Isn't that cute? Next thing, I'm going to make her a dog blanket. I just haven't gotten around to it yet, so. All right, we are talking WIPS today. Please put in the comments below any suggested names for my dog. All right, WIPS. I have, startitis. You know how that goes. So I have started more things, and I'm just going to update you on some of the things that I'm working on. So this one, oh, this is cool. This is a pattern that I took from a tutorial by Juan the Yarn Addict, which is a new channel, and he's growing really fast because Bag O Day shouted him out, and so but he's really a great YouTube host, content creator. So I encourage you to check him out. The Yarn Addict is what the channel's called. So this is, and of course, where's my book with the pattern? I probably left it in the house. Oh, no, there it is. Sorry, folks. Okay. It is the Ribbed Ombre Scarf. And his was made in shades of gray, and because that's his jam. He does not like pink, so, but I do. So I'm making it out of pink. And I am using Big Twist Pink Ombre. If I can find, here we go. Big, upside down. Big Twist Pink Ombre, Big Twist Value Yarn. And it is a 4-weight, 269 yards in a 4.3 ounce skein. And it's very pretty, as you can see. So this is a very cool little pattern, and I am on like the 4th repeat of 7, and it's going to be like a, neck scarf kind of deal. It's not going to be huge, but, I intend to use, though, all 3 skeins of this. So that might mean I do a little more repeating than it actually calls for. And then, oh, I can make a dog blanket. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's beautiful. Very nice. Okay, well, you can hang on to this then while I talk about some other WIPs. So I'll put a link to the tutorial for this below. Check it out. It's a really nice pattern. All right, so we had some family visiting, and last year I gave them a item I had crocheted. It was a remote control holder, it goes over the arm of your chair, and my brother-in-law has worn a hole in it already, and so they asked for a new one. Well, he didn't ask for a new one, but his wife did, so we're going to do it. So, of course, before I left for my mom's in California, I had to start another project. And this one I'm using Respun Lion Brand from their Sustainable Stitching line. Been looking for an excuse to use this stuff, and I'm so happy that I did. I have an afghan in my living room made from this, but I had bought more colors, and, I was just looking for the right project. Well, this is it, folks. I'm making this a new remote control holder for them. 100% recycled polyester. This is so soft. It's a 4-weight yarn. There are 658 yards in a skein, and we are using amber, corn silk, and I think this is alpine. So check this out, you guys. And I'm using a big old fat hook on it, because you know how I like a big fat hook. And basically, to make this, it's so easy. I just make a really big rectangle and then sew the pockets together. I might do a tutorial when I get to that point. We'll see. But I'm using 3 strands together, and I just love not only the look, because the colors are gorgeous, but also, oh, squish, man. It is so squishy. Here, puppy, squish it. Isn't that squishy? Oh, yeah. So, this is just, you know, basically going to be a big rectangle. And then I'll fold it over to put pockets in one side of it. So that's how that rolls. And I'm really excited about this one because this yarn is so lovely to work with, and it just creates such a beautiful product. So that's good stuff. All right, so Lion brand respun. Okay. Okay, pup. Out of the way, pup. I need a name for this dog, you guys. Come on now. Put some comments in there. All right, let's see. Put these back. And I am using a big hook, and darned if I know what size at the moment. It might have been in there. Maybe I should feel around the bottom of the bag. Oh, it is in there. Hey. Okay, so I'm using 11.5 millimeter, and I can't read it's a P hook. Nice acrylic hook. So that's what that's being made out of. So I should have that done. I don't know. If I actually work on it, I'll have it done pretty quick. Okay. Go lay down. Isn't that the way it is with dogs? They always want to be right on top of you. All right, let's see what's in this bag. Okay, this has a story. So I was working on this. I think I actually started this right before I left for California. I am using cookie yarn from Yarbo. You remember this, right? So this is what it looks like so far. And I am this far through the first skein. So, you know, maybe 2/3 of the way, maybe through the first skein. I don't know. So my realization was this. I am trying to make a shawl. Y'all, I want to make a shawl out of this. But honest to Pete, I'm already almost through the first skein, and it's not going to be very big at all, right? And then I have one more skein, and it still won't be very long. You know, I won't be able to wrap it around myself. So I did a thing. Hobie, which is where I bought this yarn from. Hobie has a great Black Friday sale, and it's already on. You can get the stuff. And I made a really big order from Hobie. And so that will be arriving, and I hope it arrives before I leave again. But we'll see. But it's en route. And the order was so big, they had to put it in 3 packages. So thank heaven I got free shipping. So when I get that yarn, you will be seeing more of this particular cookie colorway, which I think is, you know what, I can never remember what it's called because they don't put the name on it. But anyway, this is, I am gonna make a wrap out of this. It'll probably take me forever, but I will have enough yarn. I guarantee you I will have enough yarn for it because I ordered a lot. And I ordered a bunch of other stuff too. So you'll get to see my huge, this is the biggest yarn haul I have ever made. You'll get to see it when it comes in. I will do a reveal. So I'm looking forward to that. Okay, so let's bag this baby up in my project bag. Yes, yes. What's going on, pup? What's the matter? Aw, that's a nice puppy. Oh, it's such a nice puppy. Okay, so I got that one done, and then what is this? Did I do this one already? Yep, I did. Do I have anything else to show? Why, yes, I do. Okay, here's another one. Ooh. Ooh. My first time making Grafcan, and I didn't do it right because I didn't realize that you're supposed to like hide all this stuff. So I'm going to schedule a lesson with Sarah Nicole, or Nicole, I don't know how you say it, Nicole, I think. I'm going to schedule a video lesson with her, and she's going to show me how to do that. So here is my mandala strings project. It is getting bigger and bigger. So what I did was I was working this, and then I decided that I wanted to send, do like a rectangle, a long elongated rectangle on each side of this triangle for a wrap. And so that is what I'm working on. I did order extra yarn. You know what? From now on, I'm just going to order a ton of yarn. When I get something, I'm going to get a lot of it. Because I keep running into this problem where I underestimate how much yarn it's going to take for me to make something. So I'm loving this. The texture of this, the material it's creating is gorgeous. The colors are gorgeous. I just will have a lot of work to do on this. It's going to take me a long time to finish. And I'm going to have to throw a party when I finally finish it. So, same with the cookie project, you know. It's going to be the same way. So, there's that. Now, I'll keep you updated on my Grafcan. I have not worked because I've been unmedicated for ADD for so long. I haven't worked on my mandala project. I've only been doing simple stitch projects, which is what all of those things are. And so I'm going to, I'm back on my meds. I'm going to pick up my mandala and see if I can get it done so we can move on to the next project, whatever that is. So looking forward to it. And there's my super secret project, which we're not talking about in front of the dog. Yeah. Huh? What? So, I think that's it for this video. We'll talk again soon. And look for my tutorial. Can you bring me the lava flow hat? Fetch! Fetch, puppy, fetch! I'm going to be filming a tutorial for this hat that I designed. It's called the Lava Flow Beanie. Here we go. Drop it. Well-trained dog. There we go. This is the lava flow beanie, and there will be a tutorial coming for this soon. So be sure and put a suggested name for my puppy in the comments below, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye now.